Hello everyone. Let me introduce you a new cutting-edge data science platform called S2 to help you coding up any math algorithms by solving many existing problems that the most Python users face and faster than MATLAB or R. S2 is a Java IDE based on Kotlin, which is easy and pleasant to learn everything by examples. You can run each snippet of code, check the result, and then run it again separately. In S2 system, there are a set of examples. You can get access to all of these from here, including linear algebra, optimization, statistics, and so on. First, let's go to this link, s2.nm.deb, and register for a free account. Please click the Register button and fulfill all the required information. Then hit Register. Here is what the IDE Integrated Development Environment looks like. Since S2 is an IDE for coding up numerical algorithms, let's start with 1 plus 1. With 1 plus 1 working, we can do pretty much anything in numerical programming, which is just a more complicated series of many 1 plus 1s. As you should know, S2 has the fastest linear algebra package in the Java world.